Jumedi no so ye bia no dada wonwum tuo mu ne edu so no Badwam kase ensam no ne to dwa mu bi a wo betini closer kse efri nne ekrei wo mo ye kire de ati aban no fi se one market yan hye bi a wo se ye adwuma no enye adwuma ye de ho nsam no to so ebebro na fe yakwa multi credit savings and loans limited operations manager won kokko wono a ne worker woni ne ye adwuma punch na nimo no enura omukoko piase libya ye de hon semne to aso be ba no ne nsem bi na no pay me de bro sa Adom TV Badwam kase wo hwe me live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV channel 119 DSTV 280 uko YouTuber Adom TV Tube kase no ene dwumadi nkaye ne nyina wo ho ko adomonline.com ne ko read ne he videos ene audios ahodo wo ho nso me de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ne de nsem no se de nchiremu te no eni Civil and Local Government Service Staff Association of Ghana, you trying to as a close said ne ekre one more at your chin. And you know, say akatuan 2 months she be or say ye juma no one train abine and fan ye juma. 1 morning central for it in come.
The air can say civil service for and local government staff for service for the abine she share say effective 1st January 2023. One by new conditions of service. But 1.5 years down the lane, no, Sanji share no, our share no, 1 year. Until you declare nationwide strike, Fitiochina Wednesday, Obiantina Fie, Memo Obian Bejuma, and Nuna come until say, ya TBB free government, put for thought. It's only our National Executive Council that can reverse this decision. They took this decision. It is not us.
Operations Manager Multi Credit Savings and Loans Limited and Kwabata won call Ishmael Ayuvo Eliklim na ne yen koko magistrate court aboneka 13,000 wenya dia ne okwa de fiase abosomi adudu na 24 months Adom kase etwaso
and 6,000 and also almost 7,000. Okay, maybe I may say was that na what my son my friend is a member Juma Mesako and run I wasn't coming but I know my manco and then me free cost me call on Mamo my judge and I sense a mini as I'm bonny beer.
Adom TV Badwam kase na ugu social no na se yebeka ya ba mu amfie dumienu a yesusu se nipa bi e kire no wawutu botoku e wawutu senya east west mention no emu no nyame adom ye hunu akora no Adom kase edeba
bia akwala nso de akire aba na em se akwala na emre kakra e wo bush wa o free buy nti ni kakra metimi aka no therefore I am say since yesterday's morning nti up to date no na ehun no nti no ma mo ba me nchen be kire se na o camera na wan ne ehwe se betimi hu a ampa me bo camera no so bia e kire se e abrantie no nti abrantie no dem na minim ne e call so na mo san call babia akwala no omo fa no free buy no omo say bush road no na akwala efi ho a oba na am say nyame na eda na se minim na ekọ so de nyame na eda na se say awofo no asan akọ bush wakohu akwala no ade ato Ghana fo nyina afo no say na edi kan camera no say very good na afoto ide echire no ye obi anhwe ne bayie because unnim oja akwala no kwan an say kọ afuom kokotu ade ene ekwan bebre wo so a ye de dada nipa agi bibi free ni nchen
Peter Isel ene ye oboafo a wo hunu akoda yi na kwan akoda yi fa so a wo de ne ho efre se nipa bonefo ne nsem wo de to wura no ani
according to akoda no ka kire me no kire se moto ndi ofa no ah ngo besi won school mu ni school any black station no emben as obesi ni school ansa na babotoku black station but ono ka kire motor rider nse o person on top road e wo station motor ni twem free school e be si no station nti o si ni station a o ye do ba ye wie na o ko mom no nya South Africa no e ta furu ya asemo si
Ekua wofra won ho ye forum say ni manimi ya no bia nkomodie na kosie bia e wo Snate hotels ahodo no won mu ntwa so if you say kakra wo makenkan no say ye ton de masa nkwankreku no a nya de se Ghana benya mfaso bia wo so a ehun nkyeremu no ene
same capital ye edwumaku a Snate e de asem hye omonsa say omun hwehwemu hu say omoto hotels no e de Mark Rock City Hotel a mfaso ebe mu ana aka akire Snate say ehu hia say wo say Snate eton hotels no e de Mark Rock City Hotel if say Rock City Hotel eni ahoden na obetumi etuafo hotel ni nyina sika no prekope yegina asem we so eni asem fufuro pi nkrata pi a yakan efa hotels na omoto no ho ka kire Snate board say ade bi omo ye nhihye bi omo ye efa hotels ne to no ho no ine ya omunjai no muma hotels no entna se ne sitie na yempe management a ombe manage hotel no emana yeye so munjai na so mukos na so muto hotels no Edema Rock City Hotel dia india ye adwumayefo na hotels ye dia no ye betu etua kese pa edetia Snate eni aban
ya to akase no so na nipa nyina eni da kwan sa ombekokro kese mu na ne sa nti ama de ehunsunsuaso ewo nkron kase mu no aye bebre na wode Ghana ha enkramantami mu tichu esi eponia ye bia sa pressure no bi abaso wo yaka akobadie mu ni ade nipa nyina pese wo ebakro kase mu no na mpanifo asi nkonya atase adwendwen kwan wo befa so na sa ne su no ombetimi abra na se be yenhyehyɛ ahodo a baby obi a wo bia nso ne bobedwo no Adom kase etwa so
se akra mu nante ne mu asetra be ye nika kakra se de modern wo hye se wo kɔ baabi a baabi se nka wo de be ye 10 minutes wo de be dɔhwere ba ko 1 hour ni nyina ne se kwan nyina asisi asetra nkɔ binko bima ye nyina ya bo apeso e wo se ye ntutu a ebetimi start ya biebiem atoto nema na de ahyehye de ye no nti de ye ejina Ghana urban policy tutu a ebedi ho nkomo no ene uko cabinet a ye de krata akoto se aban through cabinet enyintum se sa krata ya ye di so de hyekyere ye urban areas no ye sa sakram
Dr. Evans Agwidakon ena epanyini a woda civil service ano ono nso ekɔ dwumadi na sibia wode ne nsɛm etudwa.
Indeed, we have no choice in the matter if we really want to confront head-on some of the debilitating features of urbanization. And I find the expansion of the scope of this project include transport projects and building capacity effort through institutional development, the studies, the data collection, training, the technical assistance. Very interesting because we want evidence-based policies and programs. And I have argued time and again that indeed if you are going to craft policies based on guesswork, one conclusion is certain: implementation nightmares.
Ejadifo ne shapodes a wono ewo enkran yenra san homo wo fa hye no nti ye de clean up exercise ahyehyehye so won toto won suto mu no bodu mienu mu ho no wo bo esi akire kohwe se de dwa no ebekọ na won ni Adom kase di nkomo so wo ba ye no kra no edwa no ye Adom TV etoso
I say customers like so to ade obi ba we ka chere pan say ene ye 6 krom nti egi say ya bo 12 ansana like time this we buy now can say adwuma no be question adwuma we be question e was say we adwuma was say umbobo yanke e was say umbobo scan kakra say ne be ya do ena e bia nopa de obenya nopa no won say wanya dada
we many here driver fuel talk driver fuel ka many ho no pa ahio fanta ka ni bie na amenu e gba ona sito ba afeta ama amele ni lo le je amele no ni yo ma no ogba wo ka me do on wo ka me no all right no ba ka 12 no ka twa wa ka twa me ka mbagbele aka ma me agbe no fe no nya yi wa don ka ma me sa mo won tanye shi
ebi mu nso a womo mpatemu ene Adom news nsɛnkyɔfo atwetwe nkɔmɔ no wɔde tudwa sɛ shops ahodo ya womo atu mu no ɛyɛ ade aboa pa
Bible can say obredwuma emfa hwema this onyame nsam nhira na ema nipa ye odefo and then ya what took store mu na wa ye cleaning no onyankopon de be shower na emu o de be shower na emu onu de oye nia esese oye
at times I will be stuff fianopa unton hwi about 2-3 ono and I will say jano ye esisa kakra enti se what to store mu anopa you see 12 o'clock be store na ebia wo customers no omo gina echi twen o enti wo bie pe wo so na omo rush wo enti ska wa swift anopa no nyina na wo benya no wo sa hours no
wo sa dwumadie no sia no sempema nchani adote otinto ya wotosumienu de ato nananom atrankonwa mpanifo ya woga asase so se ne aduro no eye nkabo mo pe ene betumi aboa ma won kro no akwanem
ake ga bako mbamba papa na ebu mi gbanye 5 yo eni ga ehye je politician asani wa fe shuake whether MPP in Joe, NDC Joe, CPP in Joe, Gan, Bako and Mama Papa Nebu.
Osofo a ono na hwe Greater Accra so ni kwate Titus Glover and so editor just say
the residents have been cooperative enough. Early in the morning they were a bit evasive, but gradually with time they got themselves involved and we have come this far. So I think that we have a long way to go. Sanitation is killing us. The filth in Accra is just too unbearable. And I've appealed to the residents that so long as they live in the filth, when the sickness is coming, they should not politicize the sanitation drive that we are doing.
Communications Director our Zoom Lion Ghana Limited, Emma Ajua Apia, or say, and so at the Efutu Amomanfo.
Say, Udidi. Na wo nom de e wo se opekwan befa so a ubetua efin a wo kaneka yenye santi e na amankofo bebre kekafi e de hihye wo naka ase ni ade no na se da bia wo betwen se obi mfiri boka anane emra meboa wansa wa prade enye subampa enu nti se ne wo ye ya wunye skato aduane di no mesre ahobrasiem pesa kwa na so na pesika na
Ghana Bampani na na dodan kwa kufuado abobone ma hodo bi a yesi akwan wo SDGs Action Summit 2024 no mo ne santi se wo se yentu ho anamo na yentumi anu sa yembota ye no ho dia e de ohawo ebeba wiase ene impo man Ghana so a Adom kase eto
change is accelerating, leading to extreme weather phenomena, rising sea levels, and shrinking biodiversity. These deleterious impacts are being felt globally, especially by vulnerable communities. Internecine conflicts and political stability are causing immense suffering and displacement, hindering development and the advancement of human rights. The relevance of the SDGs has only grown in today's world. They address the root causes of the issues we face, promoting not just economic growth, but also inclusive and responsible development. The goals remind us that no one should be left behind as we advance towards a more equitable world.
Wasan edito abibiman enim ene amai ahodo nina empenifo enim se womo enhwe se womo de niema ahodo ebegu akwam na sa ohawi womo timi eyi efrio.
We must be bold in our ambitions and unite with unwavering determination to scale up action on the SDGs whilst fully leveraging these enablers. We cannot be content with incremental gains. We must double down and push the boundaries to bring about the transformative change we so urgently need to end pervasive poverty, protect our planet, and ensure peace and prosperity.
Menyina no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na bema kwan na no pay ye de asia sedan koma wo sa oje brehwe bi ka kwaso na ne yentena ye kwa bana de de bonkrata no e de aba na no pay ni adomonline.com nsem no ye de abro ye nche sima mieni ye kwaba.